Hey friends, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging, and today we're doing an episode of Skin School and we are going to talk about one of my favorite skin serums, and that is Matrixyl 3000 serum. I've been pretty much using exclusively the timeless Matrixyl 3000 simply because it's really cost effective and it works. There are some much more expensive brands, but for me, from my experience, the timeless, which is more affordable, works super well. So we're going to do a deep dive into Matrixyl 3000 and why this is such a beneficial serum for aging skin. So Matrixyl 3000 is a synthetic peptide blend that helps to improve collagen production, reduce wrinkles, improve elasticity, and fight the signs of aging. As we age, collagen production drops, and that's where we start seeing signs of aging in the skin and reduced elasticity. So we just start to see looser skin in our jawline, we start to see jowling, we start to see signs of aging in our neck and chest, backs of hands, and Matrixyl 3000 definitely helps. Toward the end of the video, I'll talk about how to use this or how to incorporate it into your daily routine for best results. But first, we're going to talk about the benefits and just go over those one by one. So the first and probably most notable benefit is the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. How Matrixyl 3000 does this is that it stimulates collagen production, which declines with age. In turn, that improved collagen production helps with the elasticity of the skin. The more elastic our skin is, the less aged it looks and the less sagging and creping we have in our skin. As I mentioned, and the number 2 benefit of Matrixyl 3000 is the improved elasticity. By boosting collagen and elastin, that is where we're going to see an improvement in skin sagging. The key to this is consistent use. I've been using Matrixyl 3000 for probably 8 years, maybe 7 years. I don't know exactly when I started, but it's been a long time. And I use it every morning and night. It does take a little while to start seeing the benefits, but incorporating it consistently into your skincare routine is definitely going to improve your skin over time. So the third benefit of Matrixyl 3000 is that it improves skin hydration. Again, this is something that starts to decline as we age, and this serum will help boost natural hyaluronic acid in the skin. So the fourth benefit is that this serum does have antioxidant protective benefits. So this will help fight free radicals and give the skin protection. A big part of aging comes from free radical damage, so the more protection within our skin that we can have in our skincare routine, the better. Of course, this doesn't negate the use of daily sunscreen on the skin, so definitely make sure that the last step of your skincare routine is a really good SPF. One of the biggest mistakes that I see is people investing in their skincare routine and spending money to improve sun damage like hyperpigmentation, but then not adequately protecting their skin from the sun. In so many ways, this is just like setting money on fire. So make sure if you are investing in time and money in your skincare routine, that you are also protecting it against sun damage. This doesn't mean you have to give up all the things you love doing in the sun, but definitely be mindful of wearing hats, putting on your SPF daily on your face, neck, chest, hands, arms, body. So who should be using Matrixyl 3000 serum? I think anybody who has concerns for aging, starting to see a decline in collagen, hydration in the skin, seeing fine lines and wrinkles, definitely start incorporating Matrixyl 3000 into your skincare routine. I think people in their early 30s can start using it as a preventative serum, and this can be used by anybody of all skin types, even sensitive skin. You just use 2 to 3 drops in the morning and evening, or one or the other. I use it both morning and evening, and this should be applied to the skin after washing and putting on your toner. Then add your Matrixyl 3000 and other skincare ingredients. It is a gentle serum, it is not aggressive on the skin, but if you notice any kind of sensitivity, definitely back off how much and how frequently you're using. Anytime you introduce something new into your skincare routine, it may have a slight change in the way your skin behaves. I personally introduced this into my skincare routine immediately with twice a day and didn't have any issues. Again, it's suitable for sensitive skin, so it is a gentle but effective serum. Interestingly, when I do run out of this, if I forget to restock it and go a week or 2 without it, I start to see the difference in my skin. So I know it's working and doing really good things for my skin. I often get asked what my secret is at 53 to keeping my skin looking younger than its chronological age. And I think it's just consistency and using the serums that are actually proven to work scientifically. I think one of the biggest mistakes is that people expect the serums to start showing signs of improvement too quickly. Just like going to the gym, it takes dedication and consistency, and eventually you'll start seeing the benefits. I hope this quick episode of Skin School was helpful for you. If you like this episode, definitely hit that share button, share with a friend. And if you're not already part of the Gorgeously Aging community, hit that subscribe button. I hope to always help people achieve the best skin of their lives. It's never too soon or too late to make great skincare a priority. Thank you so much for sharing a piece of your day with me. I love and appreciate you all. Be good to yourselves and to others. I will see you in my next video.